Do you think TikTok helps in learning English?
Sometimes, yeah.
Facebook. Do you use it?
Yes, but I think Facebook is a little bit addictive. I use YouTube.
Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Lina Talk. You are holding the smartphone, right? Do you know how many apps that can help your English? Have you ever used any apps for learning? You will know clearly in this short conversation that talking about useful apps in the phone. Smartphones are part of our daily life. They can be fun, but also very useful for learning English. When we talk about smartphones, we can practice simple English words and phrases. But don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's get started.
Hey, Alex. Do you use a smartphone every day?
Hi, Mia. Of course, every day.
Me too. What apps do you use most?
I use YouTube and TikTok. How about you?
I also use YouTube a lot. It helps me learn English.
Really? How does YouTube help you?
I watch English videos, songs, and conversations. It's like my second teacher.
Wow, that's true. YouTube is very useful.
Do you think TikTok helps in learning English?
Sometimes, yes. There are short English lessons, but many videos are just for fun.
Haha, that's right. What about Facebook? Do you use it?
Yes, but I think Facebook is a little bit addictive. People scroll too much.
Oh, yes. Many people spend hours on Facebook.
Do you think it's good or bad?
I think it depends. If we use it for study, it's good. If only for games, maybe not good.
I agree. Balance is important.
Do you play games on your phone?
Sometimes. But I try not to play too much. It takes time.
Same here. I prefer to use my phone to learn.
Yes, smartphones are like a tool. They can help or waste time.
Exactly. Which app do you think is best for English learners?
I think YouTube is the best. So many free lessons.
I agree. YouTube is amazing for learning.
Do you follow any English learning channels?
Yes, I watch Lina talk. It's fun and simple.
Oh, nice. That's a good way to practice.
So, smartphones can be bad or good. The choice is ours.
Right. Use it for learning, and it becomes powerful.
Thanks for sharing, Alex.
Thank you, Mia. That was fun.
So friends, that was our simple conversation about talking about smartphones. Do you learn something new today? Did this conversation help your English practice? Write your answer in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more interesting videos. See you later.